Today we'll be discussing about smart list actions. On a platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here, and you can search for smart list actions. Here it is. Let's install. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts, or you can choose them all. Let me show you. You can choose them all, or you can choose any specific sub account. Let's say we will be choosing location 1 for the time being. Install, continue with that. As you can see, it is successfully installed now. Let's move forward towards the agency level. It takes time. In the meanwhile, we'll be discussing that the next step we'll be moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed smart list actions. Yeah. Here we are on location 1 now. We have to just move forward towards the automations to create a workflow to check on the actions are working correctly or not. You can find the automations from here, and after that move forward towards creating a workflow and start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder. Let's just create a new action. Find for smart list. Here we go. These are the actions provided by smart list actions. You can just choose any of them and create your own workflow to just run in your automations. You can get workflow by name. You can send it through custom field that does not exist, that just exists, or it gives you the options to just send you the workflow where tag does not exist and where do tags exist. So right now we'll be just choosing this one, send workflow where tags exist. We will be choosing the tags, the name of the tags, and after that we will be sending the particular workflow to that. Let's say we will be just choosing day manipulation, and the tags will be, let's say, the final test. If the tags is available in those in the day manipulation, it will be sent. Save this action. Now we will be testing our workflows. So to just set an example, you can just choose any of your contact and run this test. Head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action is executed now successfully. This is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.